Hi, hello, and welcome to day 5 of 24 recipes till Christmas. Today we are making chocolate salami. Yes, you heard that right, chocolate salami. It is a chocolate dessert that has cookies in it. We're using Portuguese Maria cookies, and you roll it up like a salami. So when you cut into it, it looks like a salami. I am putting a little bit of a spin on it and making it an homage to my mom, who every year for Christmas gives everyone a box of Ferrero Rocher. Our chocolate salami is going to have a Ferrero Rocher taste. So for the recipe, we are going to need, I'm using 70% dark chocolate, and this is the Portuguese brand of chocolate that I'm using. I'm also going to use 100 grams of milk chocolate, and I'm using Milka for my German roots, of course, which I find this is the best chocolate out there. We're also going to need some butter, some hazelnuts that I've chopped up and I've roasted, and heavy cream, 1 sleeve of Maria cookies, Nutella, salt, and a few Ferrero Rocher. So let's get into it. Bora cozinhar. So we're going to start off by melting our butter and chocolate. And for that, I'm going to do it in bain-marie. You can also do it in the microwave. So you want to break up your chocolate into little pieces, or, pieces, because that will make it faster to melt. And we're also, so in here I have the butter and the chocolate. I'm also going to add in our heavy cream, and we're going to melt that. So in the meantime, I'm going to break up my Maria cookies, and you want them not in tiny pieces, but still in small pieces. And I find it just easier to do with my hands. Open this. So now we're just going to break up our cookies a bit. You want to make sure that you get them all sort of the same size and not having any big chunks. So here is our chocolate, and it's not fully melted yet, but it's almost there, but I took it off the heat, and with the residual heat, it's gonna continue melting. And to that, we're going to add the Nutella. That in. Now I'm also going to add in a bit of salt, just a few things of salt. And as you can see, it's all melted. It's very smooth. It's smooth consistency. While we wait for our chocolate to cool down a bit, because we don't want to put it into our cookies while it's still hot, because then the cookies would get all soggy, I went ahead and I chopped up my hazelnuts, and I'm going to add them to the cookies and just give it a mix, and just double check that none of the cookies are too big. So chopping any of the bigger pieces and just making sure everything is. So the chocolate's cooled down, and now we're gonna add it to our cookies. And we're gonna mix it all really well. It smells delicious. Okay, so now it's time to mold our salami, and I have a piece of parchment paper, and I'm just going to dump the mixture on top of the parchment paper. So now, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna spread it out first. And what I'm doing is I'm gonna add a little surprise in the middle. And that's where my little Ferrero Rocher come in. So I'm gonna put a few balls of Ferrero Rocher in the middle. That way when you cut in, you get a little surprise. So now you want to roll it up. Maybe it's too easier doing it this way. Yeah. Roll it and squeeze it. And the trick here is that you need to do it really tight. And you squeeze in the sides. And I know it looks like it's not going to come together, but it will. And you just press in the ends. And these ends, like you would be doing a salami, hence the word salami. And you just tighten the ends, and that's gonna make everything come together in here. So here we have our little salami. It looks just like a salami, and you can get it as round as possible so it does look like a salami. And just tighten it all up. And now it goes in the fridge for overnight. So I'll see you back here tomorrow for the reveal of our Ferrero Rocher chocolate salami. So it's the next day, and here is our salami. It was in the fridge overnight. We're just going to unwrap it. See how nicely it's set. And we're just gonna decorate it with some icing sugar. Now I like to just rub it in, just like to give it that salami look. And now for presentation, I usually like to cut the ends off. And here is the reveal. And this is why you call it a salami. Let's cut off the other side as well. And now I'm just gonna place it on our tray. And this salami got moved around in the fridge, so it's not perfectly round. And here are the pieces that we cut off. And if you remember, we put a little surprise in there. Just wanted to show you, here is a piece where we cut into the Ferrero Rocher, and you see it right there. And now comes the difficult part of this recipe, the tasting. It is delicious. It has that hint of like hazelnut, and the Nutella is not overpowering at all. It has the perfect crunch from the Maria cookie. Highly recommend you making this. It does give that hint of a Ferrero Rocher. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification button so you can be notified when I post my next recipe, which in the month of December will be every day until December 24th. Hope to see you again soon, and thanks for watching.